All right, good day everybody. Real quick, I just wanted to put together the results for our giveaway for the IFAKs. So real quick, you can see here I've got our names that we've put together and the people that had entered in our website. So I'm gonna pick the first 3 people that come up on the generator. So our first winner is Todd. Congratulations, Todd. Second is going to be Brian, and third is going to be Jay. So congratulations everyone to all those that had entered on this. I especially thank all those that have become subscribers on our channel, and we look forward to hitting 100 subscribers, and at that point we've got another couple of giveaways that I'm planning that are even larger. And as we continue to grow the channel, I hope to be able to really contribute back to the community of motorcycle riders, fishermen, and EMTs and firefighters. So thanks so much. You guys have a great day, and I look forward to putting up some exciting new videos about a new toy I just picked up. Here she is. This is our new project. So this is a 2003 DR-z400s. It is pretty much stock with exception to the headlight here. I'm pretty excited about this thing. I got it for very little, and so I was really happy with what I got. It's going to take quite a bit to put into this to make it what I want it to be, but for a DR-z400 that runs well, I paid a ridiculously low amount of money for it, and so I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm really excited about it. We'll see how it goes. I'll do a really good comparison video later on once I've spent some time on the bike, but I wanted to give you a teaser of this awesome bike, and I'm really excited to tear into this. This was actually the bike I was going to get when I found my DR, and I'm really happy I get both. So anyway, you guys have a great day. We'll see you on the trails, and look forward to diving into this DR-z400.